Viewers, welcome to Soomro Academy. In our today's lesson, we will learn about noun numbers. Viewers, in our last class, we learned about noun numbers, singular and plural numbers with definitions. And also we studied two rules, the ES and consonant Y rule. In our today's lesson, we will revise the definition of a singular noun and a plural noun with examples. Then we will proceed to our lesson, rule number 4 and rule number 5. Let's move to our lesson, noun numbers. There are two numbers in English, singular number and plural number. Singular number is defined a noun that denotes one person, place, or a thing is said to be in the singular number as. These are the example of a singular noun or singular number: boy, girl, cat, woman, I, etc. Plural number, a noun that denotes more persons, places, or things is known as a plural number as. These are the examples of plural numbers. Viewers, now we proceed to our lesson, rule number 4, the vowel Y rule. Viewers, according to this rule, when a singular noun ends in a vowel before Y, add only S to make the noun plural and do not change Y. As this rule defines that when a noun ends with vowel before Y, then we add only S to make noun plural and we do not change Y. Let's see. In this table, this is the vowel Y rule. Here, boy, this is a singular noun and this is a Y. Before this Y, O is there. When a noun ends with a vowel before Y, then we add only S to make noun plural, and these are the examples we can see in this table. Key is a word, a noun. Before Y there is a E. E is a vowel, therefore we add only S to make noun plural. Monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, day, days, toy, toys, holiday, holidays, joy, joys. This is a rule number 4, the vowel rule. According to this rule, when a noun ends with a vowel before Y, we add only S to make noun plural. Now we move to our rule number 5. Rule number 5 is the F or FE rule. According to this rule, if a singular noun ends in f or fe, change f or fe into v and then add es to make the noun plural. This rule defines that if a noun ends with f or fe, then we change f or fe into v and then add es to make the noun plural. As let's see in this table, this is a f or fe rule table. Here life ends with fe, we change f e into v and then add es and it becomes noun plural. Knife fe changed into v and es added and noun becomes a plural. Hence here is a leaf f, we dropped f and with v and add es. In this table all singular nouns are made by adding ves to make noun plurals, because this rule defines that when there is a noun which ends with f or fe, change f or fe into v and then add es to make the noun plural. So viewers, please note down this table and you can find these types of noun from dictionary, from internet, and try to memorize these rules. When you will follow the rules of how to different nouns form their plural, then you can change any singular noun to plural and you would not make any mistake. And be practical, try to exercise and practice, because practice makes perfect. See you in next lesson. Thanks for watching.